Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data roaming smart. First, you need to understand that unplanned data usage abroad can lead to unexpectedly high charges, sometimes reaching hundreds of dollars for just a few days of use. Before leaving home, thoroughly review your current mobile provider's international roaming packages and their associated costs. Look for specific daily rates, data allowances, and any potential overage fees. This initial step will help you avoid unwelcome surprises on your next bill. Exploring alternatives to your home provider's roaming is a smart move for significant savings. Many travelers find purchasing a local SIM card at their destination offers much cheaper data rates, often costing just $20 for several gigabytes. Alternatively, an eSIM allows you to download a local data plan directly to your phone before you even arrive, offering great flexibility. Always make an effort to connect to secure public Wi-Fi in hotels or cafes to minimize cellular data usage. Once you are traveling, actively manage your phone's data settings to prevent excessive usage. Go into your phone settings and disable data roaming for non-essential applications like social media or video streaming services. Additionally, ensure that automatic app updates and background app refreshes are turned off, as these can consume significant data without your knowledge. Before your trip, download all necessary offline maps, music, and movies, which can save you several gigabytes of roaming data. Staying informed about your data consumption is crucial for controlling costs. Many smartphones allow you to set a specific data usage limit and alert you when you approach it, preventing accidental overages. Download your mobile carrier's app and check your roaming data balance frequently. This gives you real-time insight into your usage. Be aware that exceeding your plan's data allowance can sometimes incur charges of $10 to $15 per additional gigabyte, so monitor carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.